Hi, I'm Chuck. I'm going to introduce everybody to the Mystery Machine Shop here. Show you a little of what we do around here. I'm retired. I was a 40-year driveline technician for a major American manufacturing company, and name of Ford. And now that I'm retired, I've got plenty of toys to play with. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm going to show you around the tool room first. This is where we store all of the mountains of tools it takes to do this crap. And then we'll walk around and look at some of the vehicles. We have enough floor space in here for 2 small motorcycles here. We'll get to them in a minute. Why don't you cut? Can you shoot me from right there?
Easy.
Okay, let me see if I can move this. I'm good. Move this over and move this down. All right. Standing and we're good and go.